According to jury members of the Wa High Court, they started unfolding their intention of Tuesday's strike action last Monday when they boycotted criminal proceedings at the Wa High Court, anticipating that the government would have addressed their concerns. 3 days after the boycott, the group, numbering about 25, this morning massed up at the forecourt of the Wa High Court, where they declared an indefinite strike action in protest of the non-payment of their 21 months allowances.
We have informed my Lord, the High Court judge, several, and then the judicial administrator and all those people concerned about their failure to honor this our payment. Especially, most of us come from the communities, which is a bit distant from the High Court, and they take means of transport and come to the court as and when there's sitting. So we have complained and they've not heard. They said they've heard, they have not taken any action. And yesterday we have to lay down our tools. We refuse to attend court. We attended all right, but we made it clear that we are not disrespecting the High Court, we are not disrespecting the lawyers present, and we are not disrespecting the people in the courtroom. So we apologize for our actions that we are going to take, but that we have to lay down our tools until our concerns are met. We can't tell why they have decided to pay all the other regions and left out Upper West region. So we think that we are undermined.
Lawyers and accused persons who came to the Wa High Court on Tuesday morning to defend their cases were disappointed when the court had to make adjournments due to the absence of the jury.
If we come and they are not there, there's no way the court is going to proceed, because the jurors, we say they are the trials of facts. And of course, at the end of the day, when the trial comes to a conclusion, it is the jurors that will, after the summing up of the law, the facts, the jurors will come out with a verdict, of which the judge will now make the pronouncement or the sentence. But if in the instance case that the people of Upper West, they've not been paid, the jurors here, the case cannot go on a trial, even at all. Anytime we come and even one juror is absent, the case cannot proceed.
A principal state attorney at the Upper West Regional Office of the Attorney General Department says the strike action will have dire consequences on justice delivery in the region, and appealed to the government to address the concerns of the jury.
I cannot even begin to explain how I feel about this strike, because we are getting close to the end of the legal year. We have so many cases, assize cases. What I mean is that there are a number of cases we are trying on indictment. There are a number of jury trials that are at the closing stages. So what this means is that we would have to adjourn all of them to next year. So it means that people who have been following us and people who are agitated, people who are angry that their cases are too slow, I don't know what they are going to do now, because now we don't know what is on. If for 20 months they have not been paid, you can see that they also have a case. We've engaged all this while. Jurors all over the country, some parts of the country were on strike. But here we were able to convince them that times are too difficult for everybody, so they should continue working in anticipation that maybe government or judicial service will come to their aid and then we'll continue. So they've done well. I cannot fault them at this stage, because I've engaged them severally from the beginning of the legal year, October last year. I engaged them. I spoke to them and they agreed with me that they are going to continue to come to work. I think that now the rumor out there that jurors in other regions have been paid and they are the only ones that have not yet been paid. That said, I was even uncomfortable trying to engage them to tell them to come back to work.
Though the Wa High Court has not suspended its sittings, high-profile cases such as murder, rape and defilement have been put on hold until members of the jury at the court suspend their strike action. Reporting for Citi News, my name is Latif Mahama. Wa.